Recycled by the whole damn world. Live for life, beautiful. Just because she's down on her luck doesn't mean you just throw her away. You might regret it someday. Well, she didn't get in the cold. Let me try that again. Been recycled by the whole damn world. She's an indisposable girl. She's unlike any other in the whole world. Recycle, recycle, recycle.